In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to cTrader. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from your browser to the trading platform quickly and confidently. First, make sure you're using a reliable web browser and you have the details you used when you registered, your cTrader ID or the email address linked to your account and your password. That's all you need to sign in on cTrader Web. Start by opening cTrader Web in your browser. You can get there either from your broker's website, where they usually provide a direct link to the platform, or from the official cTrader login page. If you're using a bookmark, double-check that it points to the official site provided by cTrader or your broker. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures you're signing in securely. Once the page loads, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. On some branded pages, it might say Sign In, but it's in the same spot and serves the same purpose. Click it to open the login form. In the login form, start by entering your cTrader ID or the email address you used when you registered. Type it carefully and take a quick moment to confirm there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end. If you copy and paste, be mindful that stray characters or an incorrect keyboard language can cause issues. If you registered with a cTrader ID instead of an email, you can use that here as well. Next, enter your password. Passwords are case-sensitive, so make sure caps lock isn't turned on and that every character is exactly as you set it when you created the account. If you're pasting from a password manager, verify that it's the correct entry for your cTrader account. A careful glance here can save you from multiple failed attempts. When both fields look correct, press the Login button. The platform will authenticate your details and take you into cTrader. Depending on your internet speed and whether it's your first time on that browser, the initial load may take a few moments. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar trading interface with watch lists, charts, and your account area. That's the entire process. Open cTrader Web from your broker or the official page, click Log In, enter your cTrader ID or registered email, type your password, and press Log In to enter the platform. If you're on a shared computer, plan to log out when you're finished to keep your account secure. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smooth start each time you sign into cTrader.